Embarking on your motorcycle journey, explore our essential guide to the top 15 must-have gadgets for beginners. From enhancing safety to maximizing convenience, these gadgets are tailored to kickstart your riding adventure with confidence and style. Blue Cap Moto. The revolutionary sunglasses designed specifically for motorcycle riders. These cutting-edge glasses feature a heads-up display built right into the lenses, ensuring your focus stays on the road while offering an immersive riding experience. The turn arrow feature guides you through every turn, and for detailed directions, simply press the map button, all without diverting your attention from the road. Blue Cap Moto is seamlessly compatible with any Bluetooth headset for voice commands, allowing you to manage your ride hands-free. You can even disable notifications for 2 hours to enjoy uninterrupted journey. Despite its advanced technology, Blue Cap Moto maintains a lightweight feel similar to typical sunglasses, ensuring comfort during long rides. Signal wear. Signal wear was designed to address the high incidence of motorcycle accidents caused by poor visibility, particularly in adverse weather and low light conditions. The product features smart LED strips integrated into gloves, activated simply by rubbing the rider's thumb and forefinger. These LEDs illuminate to signal turns and lane changes, enhancing the rider's visibility to other drivers. Beyond its advanced technology, Signal wear gloves are crafted from premium materials, including 100% cow leather with moisture-wicking lining and gel palm grips, ensuring both comfort and durability. The Signal wear gloves are anticipated to be available for purchase starting at $169. Thinkware M1 dash cam. Bikers love capturing their adventures, and the Thinkware M1 dash cam is perfect for recording high-quality videos of your trips. This unique dash cam features a 2.13 megapixel Sony Starvis sensor that records full HD 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. With built-in electronic image stabilization, it ensures smooth and stable footage, even on bumpy roads. The M1 dash cam includes a 140-degree wide-angle lens and Super Night Vision 2.0, allowing it to capture excellent videos even in low-light conditions. Its IP66 waterproof rating makes it reliable in any weather conditions. For added safety, it features a supercapacitor and thermal protection. The Helite Motorcycle Airbag. As motorcycles continue to be a popular choice for transportation and recreation, ensuring rider safety remains paramount. The Helite Motorcycle Airbag represents a significant advancement in safety technology, setting new benchmarks for protection on the road. Unlike traditional protective gear, this intelligent airbag system is designed to detect critical situations and deploy within milliseconds, creating a protective cocoon around the rider during collisions or high-impact events. The Helite Airbag features a versatile deployment system that seamlessly integrates into various types of motorcycle gear, whether it's an airbag jacket, vest, or integrated suit, catering to different riding styles and preferences. The Xiaomi Air Inflator. Whether you're cruising on your motorcycle, driving a car, or indulging in outdoor adventures with inflatable toys, the Xiaomi Air Inflator proves to be an indispensable companion. Its compact design allows you to carry it effortlessly, making it a versatile tool that fits into any travel setup. This gadget brings unparalleled convenience by ensuring you're equipped to handle unexpected tire issues on the go. With its digital LED display showing precise air pressure readings and the ability to preset your desired pressure, inflating tires becomes quick and efficient. Powered by a rechargeable 2000 mAh battery, the Air Inflator can reach up to 150 psi, ensuring that you can maintain optimal tire conditions wherever your journeys take you. Whether it's topping up air for safety or inflating recreational gear, this device stands ready to enhance your travel experience with reliability and ease of use. Cosmo Moto. Ensuring safety during long rides, especially in poor visibility conditions like smoky weather, is paramount. Cosmo Moto is a detachable brake light designed for motorcycles and scooters, connected to a mobile app for enhanced functionality. This versatile gadget serves as a position light, warning light, and brake light, equipped with 3 AIS speed sensors that detect accidents or falls by measuring angular velocity. It offers added security. Using the free Cosmo Moto app, you can configure alerts to notify up to 3 contacts within 3 minutes in case of a fall. For additional peace of mind, the premium service of the app not only alerts a roadside assistance platform, but also shares your precise location and coordinates rescue efforts with the nearest team. With Cosmo Moto, you can ride confidently, knowing you're always visible and prepared for any situation. Samsung Smart Windshield. Samsung is leading the charge in road safety with its groundbreaking innovation tailored for young motorbike riders, the Smart Windshield. A first of its kind, this windshield connects seamlessly with your smartphone via a dedicated app and Wi-Fi, transforming into an indispensable safety companion on the road. The Smart Windshield features GPS navigation, ensuring you never miss a turn by displaying clear directions right in your line of sight. It also alerts you to incoming calls, providing the option to safely decide whether to pull over and answer or send an automatic reply that you're currently riding. Additionally, you can view text messages, emails, and other notifications directly on the windshield, eliminating the need to handle your phone while riding. Jarvish X AR Jarvish, a pioneering tech firm from Taiwan's high-tech sector, has redefined helmet functionality with the XR. This smart helmet integrates augmented reality to enhance safety and keep riders fully focused on the road ahead. Serving as the ultimate all-in-one riding companion, the XAR is designed to protect the head while introducing innovative features that elevate the riding experience. Completely voice-activated, the XAR allows riders to manage its heads-up display, cameras, calls, volume, music, and more hands-free. The portrait-oriented color display provides crucial information such as battery level, time, recording status, speed, compass, navigation, media controls, calls, and weather updates. Riders can seamlessly access this data without diverting their attention from the road, ensuring uninterrupted focus on their surroundings. Garmin Zumo XT, a top-tier navigational device designed specifically for motorcycles. Known for their high-quality GPS systems, Garmin delivers once again with this feature-packed gadget. The Zumo XT features a bright 5.5-inch glove-friendly screen that remains easy to use even while riding, ensuring you stay focused on the road ahead. This device offers free lifetime map updates, guaranteeing that your routes are always current and accurate. Paired with a Bluetooth-enabled helmet, you can receive spoken turn-by-turn directions and real-time traffic alerts, enhancing your riding experience with seamless guidance. The Zumo XT is designed to be intuitive and reliable, providing detailed maps and essential information to keep you on track throughout your journey. The Sena 30K. You love riding with your buddies and staying connected, and the Sena 30K is the communication system you need. This device utilizes a mesh intercom system to keep you in touch with fellow riders, offering both public and private connection modes. In public mode, it connects with virtually any number of riders within a 1-mile range, while private mode allows for a secure connection with up to 16 riders. The advanced dual processor technology enables audio multitasking, allowing you to chat via mesh intercom while simultaneously using Bluetooth functions such as streaming music, making calls, or listening to GPS directions. With a powerful lithium polymer battery, the Sena 30K lasts up to 5 hours on Bluetooth and intercom mode, and 3 hours on mesh intercom mode, making it ideal for extended group adventures. The Scorpion Covert X helmet. Riders, meet your new favorite helmet. The Scorpion Covert X isn't just about looks, it's a game changer in motorcycle safety. With a sleek and aerodynamic design, it's packed with advanced features to keep you protected on every ride. The durable shell and impact-absorbing liner ensure your safety in case of an accident, while the Covert X technology enhances both protection and comfort to the next level. Stay cool and comfortable with its adjustable ventilation system, designed to handle even the longest rides without overheating. Enjoy a wide field of vision that lets you see everything coming your way on the road. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the Scorpion Covert X helmet is a must-have for serious motorcycle enthusiasts who prioritize safety and style. The Anti-Gravity Micro Start XP1 Power Supply. This compact powerhouse is your go-to solution for jump-starting a dead motorcycle battery. Featuring a robust 12,000 mAh battery with 400 peak amps, it provides ample power to get you back on the road quickly. The kit includes MIDI jumper clamps, a range of universal cables, micro, USB, and lightning cords, a wall outlet charger, a cigarette lighter charger, and a neatly organized carrying case that fits snugly under your seat compartment. Whether you're on the road or at home, this portable power bank ensures you're always prepared for any battery emergency. Helmet and visor cleaner, an essential tool for any rider, addressing the challenging task of removing insect innards and other residues from visors effectively. While alternatives like Windex or diluted dish soap may seem plausible, they often fall short in delivering a thorough clean without damaging the visor. Even saliva, although it can work in a pinch, isn't ideal for keeping your visor crystal clear. Investing in a dedicated visor cleaner like Muc-Off's Visor Cleaning Kit, available at yemenu.com, ensures you maintain optimal visibility and extend the lifespan of your helmet visor. It's a practical and necessary accessory that every rider should have on hand for maintaining safe and clear vision on the road. The EyeSights EyeRide Moto HUD. The EyeRide Moto HUD from EyeSights is not your typical motorcycle communication system. It comes complete with internal speakers, a microphone, an externally mounted helmet controller, and the HUD itself, cleverly positioned just above the user's right eye. Using augmented reality technology, this innovative device displays essential information such as speed and RPM. Users also have the flexibility to view text messages, call notifications, control music playback, and receive turn-by-turn GPS directions, all digitally overlaid onto the road ahead for enhanced situational awareness and convenience while riding. The Dainese Smart Jacket. A significant leap forward in rider safety technology. Developed with extensive input from MotoGP riders and over 25 years of research, this innovative wireless airbag system is available in both vest and long-sleeved versions. Designed to fit comfortably under any jacket or suit, it features a robust protection system with Sea Level 1 and 2 armor, and an impressive 26 hours of battery life. Equipped with more than 6 sensors and advanced algorithms, the jacket monitors inputs at a rate of 1,000 times per second. In the event of a collision, its airbag deploys around the torso in a remarkable 30 milliseconds, faster than the blink of an eye. Activation is simple and quick with a magnetic chest button, plus it's designed to withstand water, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. That's it for this video.